Welcome to Module 2 of the Insight and ProWiFi training course. In the last module, we introduced you to the Insight family of products to help you identify which products best suit any given project you have in the future. In this module, we'll switch our focus to Insight itself and explain how each Insight account differs in hierarchy between the two available options. But before we crack on, let's have a quick reminder of the overall objectives for this course. Let's begin by introducing you to the Insight cloud-based management platform. Most of today's business applications and computing services are cloud or internet-based, thanks to the wealth of features, resources, and scalability which traditional server-based services can't provide. Above all, the cloud-based server maintains a persistent connection with all devices for monitoring, real-time configuration settings, and firmware updates. Insight is able to manage a category of NETGEAR Business products, including routers, switches, and Wi-Fi access points, all from a web-based user interface, or the Insight mobile app for iOS and Android, with both options working simultaneously to make sure you always have control regardless of the environment you're in. Insight is available in two versions, Pro and Premium, with Pro servicing the needs of managed service providers offering IT services to multiple business customers, while Insight Premium supports individual business customers. Bear in mind, there is a subtle difference in how each of these options are purchased. Insight Premium licenses are obtained via the Insight web portal. However, Pro licenses are only available via your NETGEAR sales representative, and don't forget to inquire about monthly billing. Insight works by using a multi-level hierarchy, with organization sitting at the top of that hierarchy structure. An MSP or managed service provider will typically service multiple customers, with each customer being classed as an organization. Next down is location, and an organization may have multiple locations, for example, a school district with multiple schools, or a law firm with multiple field offices. The law firm is the organization, and the multiple field offices are the locations. Third on the hierarchy structure is the group. At any location, there may be certain devices sharing common characteristics which best belong in a group. For example, a group of Wi-Fi 6 access points which need managing differently to the other APs in the building. You might decide to give a group of access points a special SSID with its own specific parameters. And this is where the group hierarchy level would be utilized. The Insight version chosen depends on the hierarchy functionality required. Insight Premium can only manage location and group levels, while Insight Pro also includes the organization level. The organization hierarchy level also contains its own separate hierarchy structure of user administration to support larger sites which have to be managed by personnel with different privileges or rights to certain company information. The top user level is admin, which is essentially a super user account, giving access all areas to every element of the Insight account. Clearly, this level should only be reserved for as few people as possible to prevent unwanted changes, or worse still, system failures. Next down is the secondary admin level, which gives the user administrative control for everything except payment management privileges. Secondary admins are also prevented from inviting further secondary admin users to the party. Next is the organization owner, reserved for users who need to control the operational functionality of the locations within the organization. And the fourth and final level is manager, for users who manage network resources within the specified organization, but who don't have access to account level information and configuration. Before you head over to take the quick quiz, let's recap on what we've covered in this module. We now know Insight is a cloud-based management system used to manage NETGEAR Business networking devices such as routers, switches, and access points. Available in two packages: Insight Pro, designed for managed service providers managing multiple accounts or organizations, and Insight Premium, designed for end-user customers who will only manage a single organization. We also discovered how the hierarchy structure works between each account, and we'll be digging further into that during the next module. But now it's time to check your knowledge with a short quiz. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next module.